Progressus PSA drives new levels of productivity and collaboration for professional services firms and project-based businesses. A key factor in the development of Progressus PSA is the ability for project managers to use the system in the way they want to use it. Project managers are a unique bunch, and they all seem to want to see their project data in their own way. In one corner, many project managers want graphs and pictures, visualizations, so they can see quickly where they are in the project lifecycle. They may want to see budget versus actual in picture format, and much more, which Progressus provides with Power BI and multiple project dashboards. With more than a dozen Power BI dashboards that come directly from Progressus PSA, those visual project managers can see a wide range of information, from project-specific dashboards that define profits, margins, resource, and resource management information, all with the ability to drill down and through information, even down to the source transaction if desired. The other group is the engineer type, who are all numbers. Those project managers want information in a dashboard format, but with real numbers in formats they can both use and manipulate to their preferences. With Progressus PSA, they can see the original entry screens and can also personalize those screens by putting the information critical to them front and center. Now couple that with the powerful two-way integration with Microsoft Excel, and the numbers folks can have what they need at their fingertips too. Progressus PSA, project management and project accounting for the professional services firm, built in the Microsoft Cloud for people who use Microsoft Office.